My name is James Kempton, winner of the Scientific Exploration Society's 2022 Explorer Award for Inspirational and Scientific Trailblazing. Behind me are the Lutari Mountains near Napoli, Italy. Along a great circle 8,200 miles in that direction are the Cyclops Mountains of Indonesian New Guinea and location of expedition PAYANGKO. This expedition aims to be the first scientific expedition to ascend the northern slopes of these mountains. In collaboration with journalists from the BBC and researchers from the universities of Oxford and Royal Holloway, I will collect biological and geological samples for the purposes of fundamental scientific research into the processes that have driven the evolutionary diversification of New Guinea's flora and fauna. Critically, also in collaboration with the local NGO Yapenda and the local people of the Yongsu de Soyo village at the base of the Cyclops Mountains, I will also contribute to the conservation of these mountains and in providing sustainable alternative land uses for the local people. I wish to thank the Scientific Exploration Society and the funders of the Explorers Award for their decision in choosing me as this year's winner, one that I wholeheartedly support, and as such for their generosity in assisting Expedition PAYANGKO and making it a great success.